Welcome to VXI Quezon City.
Quezon City is one of VXI's most important locations within the Philippines, the company's most important offshore geography with 13,500 total employees. We currently have two delivery centers in the city, Panorama Techno Center and Walter Mart, both only few feet away from each other within a centric area of Quezon City, the political, economic, social, cultural, and educational center of the country. A part of Metro Manila, or the National Capital Region, Quezon City is the Philippines' most populous city with nearly 3 million inhabitants. The city is ranked 7th in the top 10 Asian cities of the future by the Finance Direct Investment magazine of the Financial Times Group. Quezon City is also considered a lifestyle city with conveniences spread out around the city for its residents, including 13,700 restaurants and hundreds of beauty salons, fitness centers, dance schools, and movie theaters. Both the VXI sites in Quezon City are located along EDSA, Metro Manila's main and busiest highways connecting the cities of the National Capital Region. Public transportations are accessible 24/7 through buses, jeepneys, and taxis, as well as two of the main light rail train system of Metro Manila, all strategically within walking distance to our delivery centers. Several malls, restaurants, and residential areas can also be found nearby.
Talent acquisition for our Quezon City sites is managed at the Recruitment Hub at VXI Panorama Techno Center. It's open 24/7 and also supports recruitment for our other VXI Metro Manila sites.
With a few competitors in the immediate area, VXI Recruitment Hub has greater flexibility in hiring compared to other Metro Manila locations. The location of the Recruitment Hub allows us to take advantage not just the talent pool of Metro Manila, but also the talent pool of the Northern Luzon provinces, giving the site a healthy mix of different profile requirements. The recruitment center can process an average of 100 to 150 applicants per day and has a success throughput rate of 10% from the application stage to job offer stage. The literacy rate for the city soars at 98.32% with a very high rate of English speakers. It is home to over 90 colleges, universities, and vocational and technical education centers which produce more than 20,000 college-level graduates every year. This makes Quezon City one of the largest sources of manpower in the Philippines with its employable human resource asset of 1.7 million.
VXI Quezon City has a total of 18 training rooms spread out between the two sites, each with a capacity of 25 training workstations for each room.
Each training room can be provisioned for double monitor setup in each workstation and be provisioned with headsets. It can also be branded with our partner's brand to achieve better brand awareness among newly trained agents. Our training room capacity allows us to ramp up to 750 agents per month for any new engagement, saving clients time and money in transition phase amongst both our Quezon City sites.
Both our sites in Quezon City have several break areas where our agents can relax and have some downtime.
In the Panorama Techno Center building, there are 7 cafeterias that can accommodate up to 60 people at a time. We have 1 game room and 4 multi-purpose rooms that can be adaptable to various site engagement activities. Our delivery center in the Walter Mart shopping mall complex has a break room and a cafeteria. Both our sites have an in-house clinic open 24/7 to care for our employees, several sleeping quarters, and a lactation room for new mothers. Our sites in Quezon City complies with the strictest PCI regulations to ensure fraud avoidance. VXI has close to 5,000 production workstations between its two sites. Each floor on both sides also has several huddle rooms, meeting rooms, and team leader offices. A centralized air conditioning system and ergonomic chairs help keep our agents comfortable at all times, and a backup power system along with VXI's UPS units ensures that the site is always online.
Welcome to VXI Quezon City, and we hope to see you here soon.